Hola, ¿cómo están? What is an anti-diphthong, or also called hiatus? It's the pronunciation of two contiguous vowels in two separate syllables. In other words, they are not in a diphthong. I already explained the rules for diphthongs, but I'm going to do it again very quickly. In Spanish, if you have two vowels next to each other and you have two high vowels, or a high and a low, or vice versa, a low and a high, they should be pronounced in a diphthong. However, what happens if you want to separate those two vowels? Like in the case of the word tío, uncle. Well, you have, again, two contiguous vowels. They do fulfill the conditions for a diphthong, meaning you have a high and a low, but you don't want to pronounce these two vowels as a diphthong. We don't pronounce tío. We need to pronounce tío, two syllables. Now, this is a hiatus. Notice that the word patio contains a diphthong, tío. In the same way, baúl, hiatus. Jaula, diphthong. Reuso, hiatus, antidiphthong. Europa, diphthong. Notice also that I had to add an accent mark to separate the diphthong. In other words, and this is also in a summary of the videos I've been recording before, the accent mark in Spanish, in most cases, almost in all cases, is used to indicate that we have broken a rule of pronunciation. In this case, the trend of the Spanish language is to put a combination of these two types of vowels into one syllable. If you do not want to follow that rule, then you have to indicate to your reader that you don't want him or her to pronounce the word as a diphthong. Then you write the accent mark over here. So tío with an accent mark, baúl with an accent mark. Look at these words over here. Veo, sea, aéreo. These words in here do contain hiatuses. However, because these contiguous vowels do not follow the rules for diphthongs, that is to say, they contain two low vowels, and again, two low vowels in Spanish should not be pronounced like a diphthong. So these are, in fact, hiatuses. There is no need for punctuation or an accent mark in here, because, in fact, they should be pronounced separate. There is no need to indicate the reader that these two vowels are separate. They have to be separate because of the Spanish language rule. So again, this is two syllables, veo, sea, aéreo. Gracias.